Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your account is active and you have a stable connection. This prevents account or network hiccups. Run WS Reset. EXE now to clear the Microsoft Store cache. This removes corrupted temporary data that often causes try again later errors. Once done, restart your PC so system services reload cleanly. Make sure Windows Update has no pending restarts because updates can lock store components. Doing these steps first saves time and rules out the most common, fixable causes. Next, you verify core services and system settings that the store relies on. Open services and ensure Windows Update, Microsoft Store Install Service, and Background Intelligent Transfer Service are running. Start them if they are stopped. Then check region and time settings. An incorrect locale or unsynced clock can block purchases and license checks. After that, install any pending Windows updates and reboot. These steps fix deeper environment mismatches and apply essential fixes the store expects to see when contacting Microsoft servers. Finally, you repair account and app-level issues that remain. Sign out of the Microsoft Store and sign back in to refresh tokens, then try the download. If that fails, use Settings App's Microsoft Store Advanced Options to repair, then reset if needed. Repair keeps data. Reset reinstalls the app. If problems persist, create a new local Windows user to isolate profile corruption or run the Windows Online Troubleshooter. One key tip: test on a clean account to quickly identify whether the issue is profile-specific or system-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.